Today I'm going to try something that's new on the market. Also noodles, but it's a bit bigger pack. Noodle King Easy My Goreng noodles. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. It's got flakes inside as well as spices and oil and also some soy sauce. So it takes 3 minutes to make, not 2 minutes. But it's only advertised, always say it smells delicious. The noodles itself really smells nice. I think it's better quality than the normal 2-minute noodles, if I'm not mistaken. So it's only advertised, always say. So let's taste what it tastes like. Here goes. This is really nice. Definitely nicer than normal noodles. I rate these an 8.3 out of 10. Okay guys, love you all till next time.